Hey, it's James Knott with Nocterra Brewing Company. Just thought I'd give you a little bit of a construction update because a lot has happened. You know, we're going in here. This is actually the side door of the brewery, but it just makes the tour easier. Here we are in the tap room. You can see over here we have the hallway to the bathrooms and the food truck, and that's all drywalled and framed in. So men's bathroom. Come down here. Oh, hey, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go to the food truck. Oh wait, I'm gonna stop at the women's restroom first. Over here, you know, you got your mop sink down there. Very exciting stuff. All the necessities of having an awesome tap room. Over here, the bar is starting to come along. You can see right down here, this is actually as you're gonna walk in the front door, this will be your first view. At the end where there's that piece of plywood, that's going to be a window to the brew house. And then over here, this is our expansion here. You can see they got the roof on. This is where the brew kettles are gonna be, the hot liquor tank and the mash tun and such. Back here, we're gonna have our cooling unit. And in this room on the other side of this wall, that's gonna be grain storage. Then, as we head this way, right now we're standing right where the fermentation tanks will be, right behind the back bar. There'll be 3 or 4 right here, and then 3 or 4 right here. This back corner is where our new canning line is going to be. We're really excited about that. That is going to spit out 30 cans per minute. It's a lot of delicious beer. Back over here, we have our really dark expansion here, where this is our refrigeration. So the kegs go in this door and then they'll go out the back door onto trucks. And back here, this is the barrel room where our sours will be aging. We're pretty excited about everything. You know, hopefully within a couple weeks of being open, our first sours will be in here and aging. You know, and back here is just an office and the lab where we propagate our yeasts and grow our bacteria and all that stuff to make the sour beers. So that's the tour. Here we are. It's really coming along. We got drywall on the walls. We're gonna finish the floors and move the tanks in soon. So can't wait. Getting thirsty. See ya.